Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here. In the screencast, I'm going to share with you how you can add special characters or emojis very easily into whatever document you are word processing, whether it's a Word doc or an email. There are some times when you might need an emoji or a special character. So here are three different ways you can insert those characters. First of all, I am in Word right now using the Word app on my computer, and there's a few ways here in Word that we can insert special characters or emojis. First of all, you can always go up to the Insert tab and then scroll over to, or head over to, at the very end there's Advanced Symbols, and this will open up a special panel that has different symbols, and you can see some of them are here. You could also create a keyboard shortcut for something like the copyright symbol if you wanted to, if that was something you often added into your documents. Here's the symbols and special characters for when you're in Word. You can also simply do a long press on a letter. So some of the letters on our Mac keyboard, if we do a long press, say for instance on the E, if I do a long press, then I get this contextual menu pop up, and I just have to hit either numbers 1 through to 7, and it will provide that special accented E in my document. So doing a long press on the Mac keyboard is one way. And the other way is also many of the applications that we do use. When you go to the Edit menu, at the very bottom will be Emojis and Symbols. And that will open up another window that has all kinds of different pictographs and symbols and emojis, as you can see up here at the top. So those are the three different ways using your Word application. We also sometimes use the Word application that is on Microsoft 365 or Office 365, which is the old name. And in the Word Online, there's the option we can still use the long press on the letter, and that gives us our options for the accented letters. So those are the specific letters. We can also go to the Insert tab, and in the Insert tab there's a bank of symbols as well as a bank of emojis that you can use, and you just simply have to click on those to insert them into your document. Those are the two options when you're using the Word Online. The last place that we would want to add special characters to something that we're word processing could be in an email. I'm going to go to my email account here, and in my email account there are a couple ways I can insert special characters. Again, doing the long press on the keyboard, I'll just do the long press on the U, and you can see there's different accented letters for the letter U. The second way we can do this in an email is to use a built-in feature on our MacBook computer, and I'm going up to the top icon bar. I have a Canadian flag here. You might have a different symbol, but when you click on this one, this is the keyboard options for our computer. And I'm going to click on Show Emoji and Symbols. And when I do that, a new window is going to pop open that gives me all kinds of different emojis that I could insert into an email. All I have to do is double click on it and it gets inserted into my email. I also have different symbols, and you can see all the way down to the some technical symbols, and this is where you could find the command symbol in your on your computer if you wanted to insert that. It's nice also up at the top that some of the frequently used and favorites. If you use this character viewer quite often and there are certain symbols that you use on a regular basis, you can put them into your favorites, and those can be accessed quite easily through this menu here. There you have it. Three different ways we can add special symbols or emojis into our documents that we are word processing. If you found this useful, have a good day.